Okay. Before we do anything, Bizzle and Haunted have been waiting on you for like a week or something. Um, I don't know if you saw their chats or not, but I'm gonna see if they join me soon. But he's asking for the current UI elements, which is just pretty much what's on the screen, isn't it? Until I know how to fix the current issue with the wand, I'm hesitant to progress with it. So I think he wants your help with fixing the wand, maybe. And I also need to go. I need to read over some story stuff from Nick, but it's just a lot of words. It's a lot of words, you know. Um. So we're kind of 102 today, math. At least that way I can look forward to things. Have something to look forward to. I don't know about the wand. And I boot up the engine still. It's just well, it doesn't match, like it doesn't touch the ground, and our hand isn't in the right place. And then the crystal and the spit, bro. Fuck, I hate this headset, bro. Bitch. So and then Bizzle said he needs to see some more gameplay before he can make some sounds, I think. Just trying to keep up with everything. Some solid gameplay to record a 70-minute clip that can start working on sounds and syncing. Then I gotta send him references too, which I was gonna do a couple days ago, but I just got so busy. You can just do that in Blender. Well, I don't know. I'm not the one making the fucking wand, bro. I don't know. I think he wants your input on how to fix it. Haley called me brainless. Wasn't that because I nerfed Ninja Pigs or whatever? That's a long time ago. He knows what to do, you just gotta tell him. Well, I mean, okay. I'll learn. Okay, let me load up the level here. Okay, how do I want to stream today? Um, I need to make this go here. Oh my god. I'll just make this smaller. The giant ad needs to see what the fuck we're doing. Okay. Anyways. Let's be sure everything's saved yesterday. So why am I okay. So put stuff in. And then here. Okay, so yeah, so the round and the opacity is synced, which is good. And I think I made a list of some more stuff we need to do. So we're working on the swap, which we can't do until we have more UI. So for now, we could work on finding animations and getting the camera to move via like what mode you're on, I guess. Like, what's an example I could use here? Okay. So for example, like when I walk into this guy, right, we just teleport right there, right? In Wiz, you go to the circle instead of just teleport there, you know? So that'd be one thing. And the other one is like we would have to program a bit, like just to make the button work, basically. I would say.
Yo,
Hello.
believe me, you streaming?
Yes.
Okay. Is Giant Dad around?
Yes, he's here.
Yo.
So like when we go in,
Oh,
oh my god, this fucking bug. It's not really a bug. It's just how we program that. So for example, when we go in here, right, there's like a animation of us going there. Then I was thinking when it's not our turn and it's grayed out, we could have like the camera be somewhere else, like kind of more zoomed out. And then depending on what mode we're on, obviously for the swap, we need three different camera angles basically. One for when it's not our turn, which is like looking at the whole entirety of the combat. And then two, or sorry, one per mode, essentially. Hello, Nick. Holy shit, that one. We gotta fix it. I just added Haunted to see if he's here. That's what we were just talking about.
I'll leave you to it. Enjoy.
But yeah, no, it's pretty cool. We gotta fix the fact that like it's not touching the ground, and if it does touch the ground, our hand isn't going where the handle is. And then we also need to fix the top part where the crystal, like, it's just not scaled properly. So we gotta fix the top, and then make like the part where you hold it in the ground compatible. So, but yeah. But yeah, Giant Dad, what do you want to start with today? Maybe we could just get the basic code for swap, like on pressed, then like move the camera or whatever. Also, I kind of think I want to go back on the idea of being able to like move your. So like when you go into battle here, well, I guess technically. No, I think I'm wrong actually. I think I'm wrong. I've been trying to make the time too, Nick. I'm just so busy, bro. I'll probably do that like in a minute here. Yeah, I'm just thinking how. Because, I mean, I could be wrong, Giant Tab, but I feel like every time we go into combat, it's a different camera angle, which is a problem. I grant this be schizophrenic, though. So if I don't touch my mouse or something, I walk in. Yeah, so basically, that's what I thought. It's always a different camera angle when you walk in. So that's a problem. That's a problem. We need a set camera angle. I think I'm okay with being able to like right click. Like for example, if I right click and I do this, I can like look around. I don't know. I feel like there could be some cool like gameplay stuff with that. But hi Anthony. Went through Moonshot, yeah, dude. That was tough times. That somehow was better than what we have now. So which one do you want to start with? Setting the camera when you're in combat? So that would be main character or battle circle? It's just weird though, because it kind of does get set, but it's not always in the same place. Like if I'm looking down like this and I walk in, it's gonna be it's like what the fuck is this, right? But if I'm like this, like you see what I mean? Like no matter where or what I'm looking at, it should always go to the same place. That makes sense. Because if not, it's just gonna feel fucking weird, right? We can make it different colors too. Math, I guess I'll do that while trying to add things something. Mm-mm-mm. Shit, wait, how do I do this again? One second. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. So I just dyed it like red right now. The the base part of it. So yeah, it's pretty neat. Go to where enter where's battle is and it calls camera. Okay. Enter where's battle. That would be. I hate every time I touch this, it does some fuck shit. Enter. Enter battle. Yeah, I was messing with this yesterday, like right here, but it wouldn't stop. No matter what coordinates I put in, it wouldn't stop the fact that there's always different, is the issue. I want the sword to get done mapped. The grayscale of it looks really good. Can't wait. That's because camera move is an offset. It just adds on to whatever your camera is at. So we need to change that to not an offset or what? So right before camera move is called, you gotta set the camera. Okay. So disconnect this. Set camera pose. Or is it like a bool? Set camera boom. What variables do we have here? I don't think we have a camera variable to set. Do I make one or just do like this? I have some tunes on. The audio, story. Alright, while Giant Dad thinks of this, I'm gonna read Nick's story that you sent me. Okay. Okay, I like the start. Get player controller, set world rotation. Oh, not set camera pose. Set world rotation. Set control rotation. Okay, and then just plug it in, I guess. Right? New rotation. I don't think we need to give it a rotation there, right? We just need to make sure it locks. Split the rod struct. There, man. I was wrong. I was wrong. What is this shit, bro? I think you put get active rotation into there. If you don't split. Get active rotation. Where's that? Set active look? No. Okay, let's do that. Now we give it a try. I'll give it a try now. Okay, so basically, gotta try this. Now walk into home. I don't know if that's normal. That's the problem. I don't know. I can't tell what is or isn't normal because it's been different every time. And then we'll do top down. Okay, that's normal. So we fixed that. Now we need to actually fix the putting the camera in the right place because this is odd. We don't want this. Um, hmm. I'm thinking at the okay. I'm thinking at the start of the battle, Giant Dad, and when it's not your turn, we should have like a top-down view of the whole circle. So, um, I guess what I need to do is this. I keep forgetting what X I did. Fucking Christ. I have an idea. I do this. Play. Okay. So let me go in. Okay, so that goes up, which is okay. But I need to get it to the right spot. Giant Dad, can I not just get a camera and put it where I want it instead of have it mess with the numbers 12 times? Wouldn't that be easier? Like, you know, one of those cameras. Yeah, I feel like that would be better, right? Because if we're gonna have it for our off turn and the start of the battle, at any time we would just call that camera, right? That sounds pretty logical to me. Oh, because I don't want to keep I hate fucking with these values, bro. I guess I'll keep doing it until okay. Um, so I need to zoom out, which I think is this one. Giant Dad, you gotta make that make some sense, bro. Oh my kid, that's definitely not what I wanted. Um, holy shit. Okay. So I need to mess with X. So X is zoom in, zoom out, I think. Has to be. Okay. Why is it so weird though? I'm telling you, man, there's gotta be a better way to do this. There's gotta be a better way to do this shit. Okay, that's zoom in and out. That's left and right. And what was Z again? Up and down? Oh, Christ. Okay, so no matter how much I zoom it out, it's still stuck in the same spot here. So, really, no matter what I do, I think, to get what I want, it's not gonna be here, Giant Dad. Alright, I'll try and get this to relatively normal again. That is not normal. Um, fuck ass camera. This is why I said I don't like the camera chat. It's just lame. What the hell is what the fuck? Bro. Does my idea work, Giant Dad? Can I just plop a camera down and call that camera for when it's our off turn or the start of the battle? Be so fucking so easy. Okay. So why is he in the middle though? Zoom in, zoom out. Is it this? I don't think that did anything. I should have wrote down the values so I don't have to waste time doing this. Okay, now we have to go the other direction. Okay. But yeah, no, the camera is fucked up though. Like I don't like it. Hi Austin. Oh, is that Alex and Juju? I'm battling this fuck ass camera. Okay, can we just figure out the start of combat and the off turn, and then we can worry about the other stuff. I feel like that in my mind that is easy to do. Like I don't this is not centered at all. Like we're off the grid. I don't like that. Okay, Giant Dad, let me know which one you want to do first. Bro says, not like you're guessing. That is 100, 210. Let's try that. Okay. Well, bro is off the screen, so we need to move. We either need to move back or move him right. So I'll try this one. What the fuck? It's weird. Okay. So I need to zoom out, I think. Zoom out a bit. So I'll put this to like there, maybe. Mm. I think that'll look fine once the staff works properly, because it's not on the ground right now. I think that's probably fine for now. So yeah, we need to worry about centering this, because it's not centered. And then we need to worry about having like the bird's eye camera or whatever. So I think what I'm gonna do is, oh, I need to attach it to the battle circle. Okay, so here. And then I need to get a camera in here. So go to battle circle, I think. I gotta figure this out myself. Giant Dad died. Okay, so battle circle. Then I need to add a component, which is like a camera. Um, okay. Yeah. Yo. What? I'm trying to figure this out because you fucking died the past 5 minutes. This makes sense in my mind. What are you doing? I'm trying to call a camera so I can put it in the right place for our off turn and the start of combat. So if I can have a camera attached to the battle circle for that, right? That makes sense. Just move the. What do you mean move the? What the fuck do you mean, man? What do you mean just move the camera? Like there's no camera in battle circle. Yeah, I can lend you one. My PC randomly turned off. I feel that. How does camera move not work? What in this? Because it's stuck to my character. No matter what I do, it cannot do what I want it to do. Like the bird's eye view or the combat or whatever the fuck kind of thing. Like Like when I'm here and he's here, I want to have it like I don't know somewhere. I don't know whether it's like at the start of combat or like on your off turn. I don't know where the fuck I'm gonna put it, but the issue is we can't put it like anywhere like this because it's just on our character. So no matter what I set the values to, like it literally can't go away. Use the set control rotation first. You can use the set control rotation first. It is before. The face down. You mean get rid of this and then split it? Right. Okay. And we would only want this at the very beginning of combat, like the first 2 seconds or whatever, when people can join. How does fire beat a storm right now? You cosplay ice, you click brim, and you buff. You can add individually to y-axis. Will I put it at like 90? 45? Okay, I guess we'll see what that does. What the okay, that's the wrong way. God, I hate this bug. I don't know what the fuck that is. We need to like start like I don't know. Setting like a spawn point or something like that. Okay, yeah, this is the problem, right? That's what I mean. It's always attached to my guy. Like we need this to go away from this guy. So it would have to be a circle, a camera, and a battle circle, which is why I was there, like a component. What is Z set to? 0. That's camera return. Um, Z is how high it goes. So you want me to change the camera return? Don't mess with the function? Okay. Go back to where you call it. Supposed to set that to -90. I think it just made things worse. Okay. So do I have to set both of these? Like, they're the same thing you said, so I just I'm confused. Okay, well, that's something, but it's still like, what the fuck? How do I get it to like go down? Why? Okay, well, I think it's gonna be the same problem, Giant Dad. I think it's gonna only be on our head and not the combat circle, no matter how high we put it. Because it's just attached to the guy. Like, bro, what the fuck am I looking at, bro? You can get it facing in position correctly? Bro, what do you I can't even it doesn't even let me look at the fucking circle, bro. Like, what the fuck is this? What the fuck do you mean, bro? I don't understand why we can't just do it my way. Why can't I just get a camera, put it where I want it, and call that camera? Like, that's so simple. It makes so much sense. Because all we would do is just call the camera on or off turn. Try it? What, my idea? Okay, um, set this to 0. What's this do? What was the new rotation called again? I have to fix this because we broke it. Oh, fuck, what was this thing? It was like 90, 150, and like 10. Something like that. Oh, yeah. Uh, Set control rotation. Get active rotation. Okay. Be sure this is the default. It's good enough. Okay, so my idea, we can't just put it in an instance because there's going to be combat everywhere throughout the game. So we can't just plop a camera down in the instance. So that's why ours at Battle Circle, because no matter where we're fighting, the camera has to be attached to the Battle Circle. So that's why I was here like 5-10 minutes ago with the components. Then I would add a camera, right? Where's the fucking circle? Why is the camera bigger than this? Bro, Giant Dad, what's happening here, bro? What's going on? What's going on here? Okay. I need to... What's this do? How do I see... How do I see... Like... Oh my god. That's... That's how you see. How do I make the camera invisible? That would be... Um, field of view... Variable name camera... There be a rule for that. Where the fuck do I make the camera invisible, dude? Editor only? Okay, so if I push play, like what happens? Oh my god, I hate this bug. Okay, well the camera is in there when you play. So, oh, this is funny. Those are the values? What, you want me to try that? Okay, fine. Character. Okay, then you split. Fuck. Split, negative 35. Negative 1,000 and then 1,000. What the hell? Okay. You have like some other stuff plugged in now. Get actor rotation. Target is actor. Uh, split this maybe? Okay, and I shove him. You need all of it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I figured it out already. Don't worry. Okay, that makes sense, right? Yeah, player controller. Okay, that looks right to me. Okay, let's see if Giant Dad is right. Fuck ass cameras. Okay. Well, we can't like see where we are or whatever. Like our half, you know what I mean? I hate this so much, bro. I like my idea. I like my idea, bro. It just makes so much sense, dude. Um, it's easy to adjust from there. What am I adjusting? Making it go down more? Bro, every game is ending immediately. Oh, hey, bud. Oh, you're mad about your bed. Here, I'll help you. I got you. Bro, not Devo, Q, and Storm. Okay, so here. Okay, so we need to go down more, which would be, I think this one. Fucking camera. It's always the fucking camera. It's always the fucking camera. Okay. Well, now I can't see. That clearly was not what I wanted. So maybe it's this one. I don't know, Giant Dad, bro. I'm not sold on this, bro. Yeah. Why can't we just do my idea? It just seems so much easier. Like I just have to put the fucking camera I want it. Boom, problem solved. I'm going back to Matt. I'm going to Matt. Yeah, bro. Fuck this shit. This is actually giving me AIDS. Seriously. Go to the what's this thing called again? I max optimize? How is this not optimized? No matter where we fight, because the camera would be attached to the battle circle, it would always go to where it needs to go. Or are you talking about like FPS or some shit? You don't need multi cameras. Where's the set at? Let's do this. This. Fuck. Go. Now this fuck ass camera. Oh, it's literally attached. Okay. Camera. Okay, there we go. Need to rotate. Like they tell me this is not easier. Like already that's so much better. The better way of what you're trying to do. I love the shine camera. Well, it's invisible when we play. I just need to set it properly, you know. The better way to do this would be to make a point actor and attach the player's camera to it. I mean, it's literally it's done, isn't it? I already I already moved it. No. Try it then. Okay. So the camera's up there, so we need to call that camera on our off turn or right at the beginning of the battle. So we need to go to the code at the beginning of the battle and go to the code on our off turn, right? And then it's called that camera. That's it, right? Simple? Yeah? Probably need to rename it. Can I rename it? Mine works perfect with that. I mean, bro, you saw what cancer abomination that was. I already set the fucking thing. Okay. I am going to do this. Where's my code? Oh, other screen. And then I need to find this. Rename. BC camera. So I'm gonna call it. And then you find the code for right at the start of the battle, which would be turning rounds, I think. New turn. This turn. Sequence track. First, I think first round. Okay, so first round. I'll put this on the other screen so you can see what I'm doing. First round. Where did I put this? I'm pretty sure this is supposed to go where we put in the numbers for the delay, which isn't here. So then where's the numbers for the delay? Are you down to coach my death? I mean, I'm always down to do coaching. It's the most enjoyment I get out of this currently. Giant Dad, where's the code where we... Is it in main character? Blaze turn? No. Set movement, enter battle? Maybe it's in the event graph. I remember it's like an abomination of code. What the fuck? Okay, here, time, 10 seconds. But then where's the 2 or 3 seconds at the start of combat? We can't fucking find it, bro. I know it's somewhere. It's beside something. They're matching. I know that. I'm lost. We're trying to call the battle circle camera on our off turn and within the first couple of seconds when we get into the battle. Reset the camera. So if we find the line of code that I can't seem to find, we just call at the start. I mean, it makes so much sense. It can't be wrong. It really can't be. It doesn't? What do you mean, bro? Something blow my fucking brain out. Why can't I just put a camera where I want it and call the fucking camera when we need the fucking camera? They too try. I hate these fucking cameras, bro. Send the link again. It's in the Discord. Are you in my Discord? I'll put it in chat though. Okay, a minute, I gotta find it. I'm about to say fuck this shit and move on to something else. Like this is like literally making my blood boil. Dead ass. It's just not the way. Fine, fine, fine. Well, I don't like that whatever the fuck you're doing. I don't like that it's attached to my character. I don't like that. I don't like that. It feels weird. It feels wrong. I don't like that. Just delete my good idea. RIP. RIP big camera. You can build all the stuff into the camera move function too. Okay, let's do that. If this doesn't work, then we're going on to making the fucking the swap button work. Okay. Camera move. So that is over here, I think. No. Camera move. Enter battle. Oh, it's in battle circle. Okay, this is what we have for camera move. You can call detach or freeze cam. Okay, I'm gonna need to make some space in here. So we need to have it the same angle for your off turn and right at the beginning of combat. So we'll have two different camera angles for whatever hand you're in, DPS or support hand, whatever. And then you'll have the like bird's eye outer view, whatever, on your off turn and at the start of combat. It's in the pin messages, but I posted the link in the chat, Austin. Free up your mind a bit. No, I'm going to, bro. I'm going to, trust me. Okay. Why? I just had to do it. She was mad. I moved the fan in here, and she was mad because the cord was on part of her bed. So she was bugging me to get rid of the cord, and now she's really happy. Mm. Okay, so we need a code in. What does this do? That makes more sense, eh? This is how you lock the camera. Don't we already have the camera locked, or what do you mean? I read the first half of the first paragraph so far. I like it a lot, that part. Yo, these fucking games are ending way too quickly, bro. I can't keep up. I need to find like an ice first life so I can chill. Fucking Christ. Mm-mm-mm. This should take a while. A Discord link? Oh, the Discord link. Just command for it, I think. Yeah, it's been a good one for a while. Good. I'm just trying to organize the code here, trying to. Okay. That gives us some room to work with. Okay. Prevents mouse looking around. Oh, you want that for the bird's eye? Okay, that's fine. He wants me to try the fuck ass thing again, chat. Fine. I'll give it one last go. One last honest attempt. Why does that not work? I have to split it, but it's just auto split. Make C like 700. Okay. Try this. Nah, because we still can't see. It needs to be zoomed out more. By the issue, it won't zoom out because the camera is attached to our player's fucking ass. That's the issue. That's how I feel, chat. Okay. I'll just keep hitting numbers until something might happen. Oh, you fucking cunt. Okay, now that made the problem worse. Okay. So we'll try a bigger number for that. Okay, not bad, but it's way too zoomed out. Done. I messed with some numbers a bit, but this is not. Okay, so maybe keep this. What does this button do? Oh my god, dude, why does this keep happening? Can I just put that one of those like spawner campfire things from like Dark Souls? Like I don't know, bro. Fucking Christ, man. Okay, what the fuck? Is that going the wrong way? It has to be. So, now Liam. Yeah, oh my. Okay, now that, well, then what the fuck is going on? Just make this tiny? Drop in a player start. Place actors. Drop in a player start. Where's that? Okay. Fuck you, bitch. We got it. Okay. I don't know why this is happening. I'm awfully confused. Like, do I just need to make this like a normal human number? No, we're still in Timbuktu. Bro. Giant Dad, what the fuck is going on, bro? What the fuck is going on, bro? So we go in. Obviously, this is like we need more zoom, I think, right? We need to zoom in more. So that would mean call this before the set control rotation. Okay. New look input. How is that gonna help us though? We're gonna be stuck. We're still gonna be stuck. Well, I raised the X because before it wasn't working. X and then Z. Yeah, because if we do this, then it just looks worse now. Why? Oh, it's because of the bug, right? So that's why I set this number higher because when the fuck ass wall wasn't there. Actually, I can't tell what the problem is anymore, bro. Okay, this is zoom in and out. This is left and right. Like, we need to be down more. We need to go down. Okay, but now we're starting to not see our character though, which is an issue. Hmm. Yeah, I'm wondering. Let's go to the default maps because I have to battle a fucking world. Where's that in? Where's Giant died? Okay. Do this. I need to drop in. I think it's this guy. Okay. Why is the collision not working? I thought I was just supposed to drop him in and rock into him, no? What is this? Base AI, add CM event graph. The eyedropper? How do you do that again? Where is that? You click on him. Eyedropper. What the fuck is the eyedropper? I don't know what the eyedropper is. Details? This thing? Okay. So now it'll work. Okay. Okay, yeah. So a couple of things here. One, I don't want it to be behind our character. Preferably, I would like the camera to be on one of the sides here where you can see everybody, so left or right, where the open spots are. So maybe if we can fix that alone, that will indirectly fix the problem we're having right now. If we can just move it. So we need to detach. I feel like this is too far out though, is the issue. Also, I want it to be on the side, like I said. I don't want it to just be behind our guy. Mhm. Like, we gotta detach the camera, right? So why? Fuck, how big does this thing have to be? Okay. That is not a rotation, that's just a left and right. Wait, I need a spawner, probably. Yeah. No, we don't need left or right. We need to have it, like, right here. That's what we need. Not, like, out here. We need it more zoomed in. And be, like, right here. That's why I liked my camera idea, because just, boom, problem solved. Like, we just would need a way to, like, go, like, rotate around. Not just go left or right. Here. I already did that. Disconnect the X. Put an add flow between them. It's kind of weird, isn't it? And add how much you want to rotate. I don't fucking know. Okay, that is upside down. I think this is the wrong one, Giant Dad. I don't know. I don't know why I would want this. Hell yeah. Or gaming. What the fuck? That's not that. Did I plug something in wrong? I'm hungry again already. I'm like a fucking bear or something. Maybe it was you. Yeah. So I disconnect this. Add. Yeah, so again, it's rotating around our player and not the battle circle, which is always a consistent problem. Did you want it to animate around? No, I want when we go into the battle, I want to just have it be like right here for the first 3 seconds to whatever, and then like maybe on your off turn, it goes back to there. Because I think it'd be cool, like when it's your turn or whatever, your team's turn, or like go to you, and then whatever deck you're on, kind of thing. When you adjust the control rotation, you have to adjust the camera move after. Okay. So do I need to, what does this do? Okay. So we need to like look towards the circle somehow. How do we do that? It wouldn't just be a simple left, right, I don't think. What's this do? Okay. I need to look down. How do I look down? This looks down. Ah, my dumbass. Oh no. What happened, Giant Dad? What the fuck happened? Too much zoom, I think. So set this to 1,000 maybe. 900s. Wait, what? 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 Why? What the fuck? What the hell? What the fuck? Wait, what the fuck just happened? Can we move offsets from that though? So when you change it, you have to correct offsets. Bruh. X means it'll move towards the ground. Okay. Okay, but now we can't see anything. Like, I need a way to be zoomed in but see the whole circle. If we zoom out all the way, then we're too far. It's just wrong. Like this platform's in the way. Because that's where it's locally facing. So how do I, like, God, bro. I need to be zoomed in more, but I need to see the circle. How are we gonna do that? Because the X does both of them, to my understanding. Yeah, the snail's alright until like you're literally snowed in like 8 feet. Like, bro, we're gonna be at the top of the skybox before we see the whole circle, man. Literally. Okay, so we can technically see the whole circle, but we need to go down. Like, instead of being here, we need to be like here. So like I don't understand how we're gonna do that. If I get to this point, then we don't see the circle. So like I don't get it. I'm gonna set this to a desired zoom. Like this is probably fine in terms of being away from the circle, but then we can't see the circle. Okay. Um, so I need to go down. Which would be what, more zoom? Yeah, but now I can't see the circle. Like there's gotta be a way to split them, Giant Dad. There's gotta be a way to split them. Like, I need to go down, but keep the zoom. By this. At this point, bro, I just say I don't want to ever touch a camera again. Like, I don't know anything that gets me this angry. Like, I really don't. Yes. Okay. Like, I'm not trolling, I'm dead ass. Sweat. What's that, minus 50? $1,500.00. Okay. Um, so we need to rotate it, and we still need to go down though. So I need to rotate. Which one's rotate? This. Oh fuck no. Um, I'm about to say fuck this camera, bro. I'm about to say fuck this camera. I mean, this stuff is pretty boring to be fair, Austin. It is pretty boring to be fair. I'm just doing it because it's fun. It's fun to document my progress. As for like Wiz though, I mean like the game is just not good. It's not in a good state. Okay, I'm just gonna say fuck this camera. Honest to God, Giant Dad. I'm like I will literally make the whole game before I do this fucking camera ever again. Like I'm so dead ass. Fuck this camera. Fuck you. Fuck you. What did he say it was? Like 90, 150. Let's try 10. What the fuck? Oh, is that because of the rotation? Yes. Well, hold on. I need to do this, and then get after rotation. Okay. think it needs to be like up more. I think that's because it's this, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. That was a giant waste of fucking time. What else could we do? We could set up the swap so when you hit swap, you get different camera angles or whatever. So I don't know. Let's say this is the default one or whatever. Like you hit this and then I can't even move because um the camera's locked or whatever. This needs to go down to go left, right? No, he went right. Okay, too far. Let's try that. Oh, oops. Wrong way. Okay. Try that. How do I make it so like we're in the combat? Like we're outside of the combat right now. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off for simplicity's sake. Just give me a second. Just do that. So I can move. Like, I don't know, like this. Like he's in the combat. Like the cards are centered with the combat. Because like we're back here, right? So we need to like rotate up or something. That wouldn't be zoom. That would just be a rotation, right? Like the 35 thing? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you were gone the whole time? I gave up on that. I'm not doing that shit. We'll worry about making swap, change the camera angles. So this is what we have currently. But like we're outside of combat. So what I want it to look like instead is like maybe like here. So that would just be the rotation thing, right? Like the minus 35 or whatever. Because like we're back here. We want like it to be centered with the battle. That's just the I think that's just this. Um. Nah, I don't think that's. I don't think that was right. Is it? Well, let's mess with the value somewhere. Okay. Well, now I need to be here. Am I doing this right, Giant Dad, or what is going on here? Is it a different thing? It's either too far over here or too far over here. I need it to be like right here. Remember to plug get active rotation and do set control rotation. I set that right. Do I need the floats right now? I had the blue one or gray one before, but I thought I needed this, but maybe I was wrong. Just see. Okay. So plug this into there. Okay. So yeah, this is what we're at right now. I'm gonna move it to where I want it. So like we need to go like here instead. So is it just keep hitting the numbers? Is that all I have to do? So annoying. Okay, well let's didn't do anything. But then if I put it like any higher than that though, it gets like fucked, I feel like. Is it even doing any? I can't even it looks the same. Um yeah, I think this is messing with the height and not the actual rotation behind that. Like we went up higher, which is great, but we still need to go like we turn him like center it. This looks nice. The distance. Oh, the zoom. Yeah, that's why I'm not trying to touch the zoom, Nick. I'm trying to because I think it's right. It's set like this, right? This is weird because you're not looking into the combat, right? So that's why I'm trying to like get it like right here, or I don't know, like something like this, right? So like that way, it's like you're looking into the combat or something, right? Oh fuck. Okay. Control Y looks up and down. Okay, so I'm fine with that. Camera move after sets location offset. So how do I get it to like turn? the way I want it, and like I need to just like turn it in like that. That's a rotation, right? Because this whole thing is going around our player, so it has to just be a rotation. The add thing, of course. Okay, so disconnect that. Add. So I don't need to rotate it much, right? Okay, I went the wrong way. Let's try -20. Okay, that's already a lot better. Um, but what I want to go more? Like if we go too far, then you can't see your teammates. I think that's good. Obviously, the staff is in the way of the circle over here, chat, because the staff is floating in the air. It's not actually on the ground. Like, I can fix it right now, but it'll just look weird. Just give me a minute. So I'm pretty sure, like, if I do this, it'll actually be on the ground now. Pretty much. So then you could actually see the left on the other side. Just the staff is, gotta fix that. So okay, anyways. Stop touching stuff. What are you thinking, Giant Dad? Should we go like up more? No, that's a terrible idea. If we go back down here, it's just like, I mean, we could do, but then you can't see. No, then you can't see. No, we have, I think we have it good. I think we have it good for now. I need to put cards in now so we can actually see the bits. Okay. So the issue with this is our player is in the way of the cards. God damn it, bro. Just right when I thought I had it. And the other problem is, um, yeah, like the enemy HP or whatever looks weird because of this. So, well, I'm trying to think how E33 did their comp. I'm pretty sure. I think they didn't always display. So, for example, if we're in our support hand, this wouldn't be here, like Rapbeard or whatever. But if we're on our attack hand or whatever, then it would pull up the enemy health bars and whatever. So that just sounds like more widgets though. I need to play E33 again and see how they handled that. It's a good idea. That's a good idea. What are you thinking though, Giant Dad? I'm starving. Giant Dad, you think of some shit to do. Hold on. It is funny. I'll fucking run into this guy. This is what the default is set right now. You guys think of shit. I'm going to get food. I'm great. Hi, Zazu. I'm back. What's up, Danton? Maybe zoom in. Okay. That I feel like that didn't even change anything. There's a node you should try. Okay. Where do you want that in player? God, my headset died. It's fuck. Get the follow camera. Get the follow camera. Component. And you set field of view. Okay. Set field of view. Normally it's at 90. If I can change how much room you have. I'm confused. Isn't that what we were just doing? Where would we even put this? Like, what exec? Before camera move? After? In front of the set control rotation? Okay. I don't know what this is gonna do for us. Oh my god, what the fuck, Giant Dad? Wait, is this first person? Bro. Okay, I think this is first person. Okay. Okay. This is what we had. It's just the same thing. So you're saying to use that with the camera offset to get it perfect? Is that what you're saying? Let's try. Just useful to know about. Well, but it's too far out. There's a lot of space behind us, like you said. If we put it here, then we can't even see at all. Yeah, I need to take notes on how E33 did this stuff. Because in that, I mean, do I, fucking Christ, bro. I have no space on my computer ever since I have a game engine on here, bro. I can have 2 games at a time for myself. I always have to uninstall shit. Christ. I literally cleared out everything useless on my PC too. I just don't have space. Fuck. I'm pretty sure the way they do it is they have like a billion different camera angles. And like I said, depending on like the situation, like you might not even see like the enemy health bar if you're in like your utilities for your blades and shit. I think taking inspiration from that would be helpful in this scenario. Because I feel like if we just always have it set, I don't know. I gotta see what E33 does. I have to uninstall something. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll take inspiration from that. Until then, Giant Dad, I guess we could try and set up the swap button so like whenever we hit that button, the camera angle changes. It doesn't have to be perfect for now because again, we don't know what exactly is perfect to us. But for now, it's like, let's say this is the default. I hit this, and then it goes like, it changes, you know? So for this, we need to go to the button, the widget. Widget. More camera. I mean, it's a gameplay thing. We have to do it. I mean, this one can't be hard. This one can't be hard, bro. It can't. It just can't. The one outside of combat is hard because it's attached to us. This one is just different angles of our player. I think this should be easy. So go to hand. Go to graph. Okay, right here. So on pressed swap. Just call the camera. Wait, how did I do that again? I have to get player, right? What? Straight from that one? I did. I don't see camera move here. Camera view, follow camera. What's that the wrong shit type then? Hmm. Camera move. Okay, let's see what we have in here for that. Camera move. Oh, it's on the battle circle. That's why. Okay. Yeah, battle. Battle ref? That's not good. I don't fucking know. Camera move. Target is battle circle 1. Click on it. Battle circle camera movements. Oh yeah, the battle ref from player. That's a little annoying, huh? Okay, there we go. Okay, so none of these are rotate. This is zoom, this is left, right, this is up, down. So what was that code? Hold on. Set control rotation. That goes before though, doesn't it? Fuck. Oh, it's got player controller. Go. That. And then I need this. Why does this never spawn? Target is actor. Why can't I get actor rotation? Fuck. So up and down. To rotate, I need to add. But I can't get active rotation. I did it. Fuck you, Giant Dad. Give me a point for that. Give me a point. What? As you come from player. I should have a point. Okay, and Z is the one I want for rotate. Right? I do this and add. So let's say that. And then that. And then it should work, right? When I push the button, it should just swap the camera. Watch this shot. I'm gonna get it first try, boys. Watch this first try. Okay, I guess it kind of worked. How do we have it so it's not like an instant? Like we need to have it like it's gotta be smooth. Like it's smooth gameplay, Giant Dad. Not just instantaneous. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying, right? Like we need smooth transitions between like this and like the bass. You feel me? Smooth gameplay important. Right back. Okay. I gotta reinstall U33. I should just like save points. I guess I don't know if there is. I should probably just replay the whole game. It's a good game. Why can't I install it? What? Did my Game Pass run out? Hmm. Oh, yeah, it expired today. Okay, well, I mean, I'll refresh it then. 1 second, John Dad. Yo, what's up, Diving Duck? Okay. I hate that I'm always constantly doing 4 things. What the fuck? I hear a bomb? Zazu, you took my chair. Wow. I'll put the camera on, I'll show you all the cat. Hold on. Alright. Look at this, bro. Oh, y'all can't even see her. It's back here, maybe? Oh, put the camera down. Look at that guy. Look at that. I go away for 1 second. I go away for 1 second. You take the chair. Alright. I put this up. I'd love to have the chair. This is why I got a standing desk. She owns the place, man. She pays the rent. That's probably good. I love cats. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Alright, oh, that's a lot of work to do, huh, Giant Dad? Okay. Okay, I got my yogurt. You're such a silly cat. Okay. Let's go up higher. Tall people problems. Alright. Set control rotation is instant. Right. You would have to fit it into the zoom timeline. But you can also try calling the camera return function. Okay, so which one do you want to do? What's the vibe? I haven't heard this song in a minute. I'm gonna renew my Xbox thing. I need to see what E33 handled the situation. It's fuck ass monitors. Try this first instead of using the set control node. Try calling the camera return function instead of using the set control node. Okay, so I still don't think we need this. That'd be... Should be here. Camera return function. What the fuck? I need battle circle reference. It's in the battle circle, so... Oh, I'm so good, Giant Dad. Let's go. Get shit on. Okay, camera return. Now what? Play. There's no way. There's no way it works, bro. What are we supposed to be looking for, bro? Let's see if it works still. You having a good time in my chair? Say hi. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, you want you want to go up here? Okay, there you go. My bad. Shantab, what are we looking for? What do you mean you don't know? Oh, look at her. I don't know if this is here or not. No, you can't see her. Damn. Just chilling. So we need to add. If reset doesn't work, then GG. What do you mean it doesn't work? Well, we hit the button. And then it instantly swaps. Oh, your mom's home. Here, come on. I'll bring you there. Oh, that's my mouse. Oh no. Bro, what the fuck just happened? Okay. Okay. Something in here is getting mad about. There's an error. Oh wait, I think I put it in the wrong area. That's why. Hold on. I put it in the main code. Not here. Bro, why is random shit opening, bro? What did the cat all hit? I mean, it's a... Bro, what is this, dude? What is that? So as you hit every button. Okay, well when I push it, it's a little... Like, it's a little... better, but like we still need it to be better. You know? Like you can see when I hit this. Well, didn't do that time actually. I don't know. Oh, because I don't know what it's mad about. Maybe I think I know why. I think it's because I put the code in the wrong place. Okay, well I was instantaneous and still mad giant dead. Okay. Camera move, event graph. I don't know what this means. I don't know what it's mad about. Giant dad is why I splash. Does that mean the return isn't working? Yeah, I'm a little confused what we're looking for exactly. You can't call a camera move right after return. Okay, so that was a widget. Gotta use one or the other. Okay, so do you want me to get rid of camera move then? Just try this. I mean, it's still instant. Return puts it at default. Are you saying to go back to the original? If I hit this again, nothing happens. So what is this about? Oh, it's because there wasn't two players in the battle? Okay. And it's mad about something here. So we need to get rid of this then? But then how do we rotate? Go to player, camera boom. Lag. Intentionally lag. Okay. Do you have rotation lag on? No. I'll put it on. Then set rotation lag speed to like 12. Okay. That's like the delay, right? No, Danta, I'm trying to break away from that habit. Okay, I mean that's better. It's not instant. We're also gonna need to play an animation for when you swap between hands. So we just play like a mod or whatever whenever we have that asset and that code, or what? I think you would, right? Yeah, you definitely would. How do I go back to the other like the home screen? um you can always just change the speed for it. Okay. No, Austin. Higher is faster, yeah. So I need to go to the widgets and graph. Do I leave this or do I need this still? Well, yeah, I could leave it if we have the lag enabled. Leave it. Okay, so then we need to go back though. We need to go back though. So we'd have to keep doing more to get back to the other camera or deck or whatever. We need to go back to where we were. Use flip-flop after return. Oh. Oh, is flip-flop just for like different scenarios? I guess that makes sense. Okay, so one would go here, and then the other one would be... It'll alternate every time you press it. So put it at the very start. Oh, the flip-flop? Really? Before the... Wouldn't it always go after? Maybe not. Okay. And for B... I don't know what we're gonna do for B. It wouldn't be move camera. It would be... There would be another set rotation, right? I think so. I gotta organize this code. It's getting wild. You can do whatever or copy the stuff you had from before. What do you mean copy the stuff I had from before? And you plug this in again. I mean, it's just the same thing. I do. So, oh. I do this. And then what? Add. Then you what? Get active rotation. Okay. Now I need to go. Would I go to 0 giant dad or do negative 150? What do you think? Maybe negative 150? 0? Okay. And would I do a camera return on this one or no? No? Ah, I got you, John Dad. Alright, let's see. Okay. Swap. Wait, what? Where is it? Oh. It's barely moving. It's doing this. Which maybe could be okay for something else, but not in this scenario. So what do you think? I try 0. A fish. What is a fish gonna do, man? Maybe? Well, shit. How'd you learn to code? A giant dude. I've really streamed like 90% of the process. Giant Dad just taught me. I mean, I'm doing pretty good though. Like, I have like I can read it and like have ideas on stuff like the camera earlier. I don't think there's a bad idea, but Giant Dad said there's a bad idea for optimization, even though I think the camera could have worked. So like I got to the point where I can like kind of come up with my own ideas, but I think sometimes I just forget stuff. Like I might want to get this, but to get this, I need to do this. So I might forget this before, you know what I mean? Just like little stuff like that. But I think the fact that I can like kind of think for myself a little bit now is good. Considering it's only been 2 months. Do I need a camera return right back? No. How do we get it back to where we need it? If it's 0, I don't think it's gonna move. Oh, wait. Well, that doesn't look right. So we kind of have a top-down view. Wait, I'm confused, Giant Dad. Why is it always different? Oh, I think I know why. It's the bug. It's the bug. It's the bug. It's the bug. Giant Dad, bro. What is wrong with you, man? So, okay, my issue, I think I could be wrong. The issue is when we go to this pose or whatever Giant Dad, our camera doesn't go back up to the original. So, like we're up right now, right? I do this, okay, it's down, and I click it again, it goes back, but now we're not up anymore. You know what I mean? Oh, that's cool, Austin. My cousin's really into that. So I'm wondering what's causing that. Any ideas, Dad? If we can just finish this part, we can call it quits for today. I think we did pretty good considering we bandled the camera for an hour and failed. No, I didn't go to school for coding. I just talked to Giant Dad every day for 2 months. You got it, bro? What do you mean I got it? Just values? Okay, this. I have a plan. Which one's up and down again? Y. Y. No, Y is left and right. What the fuck? If I can get it to go Like set it to the 35 from the other code. Where am I? Oh, whoops. Y. Okay, so it's Y. So if I set this to -35, it should go back to where we're at. Please work. Make me feel smart. Okay. So this card is like right on him pretty much. So I do this, okay. So it should go back to there. Okay. It's better, but it's not quite. Not quite. So what the fuck is going on? There's some little measurement. Okay. So like he's to like the right a bit of this card. This. Here. But now he's to the left of the card. -20. It's not 0, is that why? I gotta point it if this works, Strandad. Okay, to the right. Swap, okay. What is causing this? You can go from 40 to 39 and make a comeback. Oh. I'm confused because... Okay. Okay, well, let me review. Okay. So I have this match. They're both -20. And they're both -35. Is it this? Is that not supposed to be there? Oh shit. I'm gonna beat this giant then. Okay, so he's there. Fine. Nah, but see, it moves. It moved to the left more. What the fuck is going on, bro? Wait, math. Hold on. I think I know. I think I know. I just gotta put it together. Okay, here. Okay, so we're rotating 150 degrees. Okay. And then this is set, okay. So would it be okay. So maybe the other way? No, but if we go the other way, then we're at 0. We know 0 didn't work. What? I don't know what's going on. The code is matching. Okay, so it's about centered to the right of it. Fine. And now it's to the left. Why? Why? Okay, I need to pull up both codes here. Okay. I don't have this, but I don't think it matters. Unless it does. I guess I might as well put that in though. Unless it's already locked. Wait, I have an idea. It'd be 30 subtract, which would be 10. Okay. Get shit on, Giant Dad. Get fucking shit on. Give me my fucking point. Give me my fucking point. And Rapbeard, look at that, bro. And Rapbeard stay hating, bro. Give me my fucking point. Get shit on. I fucking did it. I fucking did it. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, right? I fucking did it, bro. I looked at the camera move and it was 30. And then I did minus 20 and it was like almost there. But it wasn't right. So I was like, okay, well 30 subtract 20 is 10. So I put in 10 and then the values matched. Get fucking shit on, Giant Dad. Get fucking shit on. Absolutely wrecked. It wasn't about matching it. It was about just subtracting and then using the new value. Right? So like, look at the card, third card. A little to the right, right? This. Okay, well it didn't work that time because he wasn't in the battle. It's my fault. Because of the bug. But okay. This. So yeah, right? This. And this. I fucking did. I cracked the code, Giant Dad. I cracked the fucking code. That's right. That's right. I fucking did it. I fucking did it. I feel like something still looks wrong though. Like, I don't know. It's not that. Like, okay. I feel like it's the up and down. Okay, so his head is right above here. This is fine. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's right. So, ours right. So, I got this to work, but now the up and down is broken. So, with that logic, it would be the same thing. It would be the same thing. You would just do math. So, y is up and down, right, Giant Dad? No, y is left and right? Like, what is z and y? I keep forgetting. It has to be up and down because z was just left and right. So, okay. We have negative 35 here. And we have 160 here. So, if we do the same thing, so we did 30 subtract 20 here. We do 160 subtract 35. Which would be... Where did I put that? In the widget. So... This I put in the answer to that, which is 125. Okay, right. So his head is like right above the health. Oh no. Wait, did I just go the I went the wrong way, I think. Be negative 125. Oh wait. There you go. It's fine. What? Okay. That's wrong. It's not the same logic. Okay, well, give me a point for fixing the one problem. Now I gotta fix this one. Okay, so it's not that. Unless instead of subtracting, I'm adding, which would be 160 plus 35. So would it be that? Okay, maybe it was positive. I think it was positive. Yeah, it should have been positive. It's mistake on my part. He's weird. No, it doesn't work, bro. What the f? I don't know if I can figure this one out, Giant. I'm like nowhere near the target. I mean, I was. Like, if I match minus 35 and minus 35. Okay, so it's not. Zero. What if it's plus 35? Fuck. Maybe just add the 10. Oh shit. No. So maybe it's 25 then? Yeah, Raptor used to be a cool guy. No, that's still not. What is happening? I don't think I can figure this one out, Giant Dad. Would it be, hold on. Okay, if we're going negative 35, rotating that way, it'd be 0. No. What the fuck? Because I put this in the match, but then this doesn't work. Because yeah, it goes down. Almost say it's doubling. Is it not? Maybe, is it the zoom? See, now it's consistent. Right? But when I first get in there, it's higher. And then once we do this, it's down. I don't think I can. I don't think I can beat this one doing that. I think I need your help, bro. So on our first round, it's fine. Explain. The up and down on the first round, the health bar is like cutting his head off. And then when we swap and swap back to the standard pose, it goes down so you can't see his head anymore. So it's not fully going back to the place. And I've tried everything, subtracting, adding, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what the value is. I've tried matching, I've tried leaving it neutral, and adding, subtracting. So I don't think it's the values. Not in here, at least. Check the enter Wiz battle. Okay, so negative 35, right? So I match that, right? I match that, and then it still goes down below his head. The only thing I don't have is this, but I don't think that's related. Then I figured this out. Yeah, so I did 30, subtract 20, which gave me 10, which fixed the left and right problem. Unless you're saying just make this 30. Head. They got a bit better, but not quite. Like, I'm trying to find what the answer. Like, yes, we could just mess with the value till it's perfect, but I'm trying to study the code like I just did to get the right value to learn. Yeah, I deleted it because I thought that might have been the problem. Or I deleted a camera return. So what do you want to do here? Just match everything completely? Well, I don't want to touch the Z because it'll break fast. So 160. Okay. Head. Oops. Then now it went down more. I mean, I'll try putting the 30 in. I just don't know if that's gonna. I feel like it's gonna break the left and right. Yeah, I broke the left and right. So let's go to that. Unless I was right, but I just put it in the wrong place. So 160 subtract 35. Nope, still going down. Still going down. So no matter what I set the camera move to, it's still going to the same spot. Like the Y. I don't know what's happening, bro. Well, it can't be Z because Z was left and right. I put 30 in Z and then it broke the left and right. What if I mean, no, but then it's gonna be on my ass. Yeah, no, that has to stay. Is the camera return here that's breaking it? What does camera return do again? I tried subtracting this, I tried adding this. Sets camera back to default. Okay, so this. I don't understand how it's helping us though. Anyways, take that out, like what even happens? I feel like if anything that's more accurate with that now there. Head. It's the same problem with or without camera move. Or camera whatever return. Damn, I think this quality here, bro, is just annoying. At least I fixed something. Disconnect the other camera. And then play. And okay. It's level, but the issue is for some reason he moved over here. Like he's in the middle, here's on the right side of the health bar. So that means something with Y or whatever is fucked up. Oh, I bet it's this. I bet it's that actually. Okay, so nope, he's still in the middle there. You got it? Nope, totally not. Am I subtracting? Nope, he's still not moving. So no matter what I'm changing Y to, he's still not moving. What is that? That's right though, isn't it? I mean, if it breaks, it breaks, I guess. I don't fucking know. Yeah, no, that's not it. That part's correct. -10 was the answer. New rotation. I don't know what you're looking at. I don't understand what you think is wrong. Will you hire mods like Raptor? This can't change because the rotation is correct. I'm pretty sure, like, this isn't even doing anything, I think. And he's in the middle. Why is he in the middle now? He's level. Oh, you fucking. Oh my god, bro. Wait, I think I see the problem. This goes to the left. And that goes to the right. Okay, so no, it is the rotation then. Because on the first round, this lion was over here, and now it's on, like, on him. So it is something to do with the rotation then. So try to match it. Okay, so lion says left. Oh, I think I fixed it. I think I fixed it. Okay, yeah, so the camera return was breaking the whole thing. So card is on him. Lion is to the left. Do this, do this. Lion's to the left. Yep, okay, perfect, we got it. So the camera return was breaking the whole thing, Granddad. When we were trying to match the values or whatever, this doesn't work either, I guess. But the camera return was breaking the whole thing. Because when I matched it before, it wasn't working at all. So, okay, I've hit my mental capacity for the day. I've hit the mental capacity. I think we did really good though. So next time, well, I mean, we can only do so much until we get the assets, but my game broke. What the fuck? Debug camera? I don't know what that was. Next time we need to, what is wrong with my game? Maybe I'm just tweaking. We need to make it so whenever we do a swap like this, that it plays an animation Giant Dad. So I'll write that in our progress here. Angle. Play animation. For swap. Okay, I updated that in progress. So, what the fuck is that? I don't know. Whatever, I don't give a fuck. So if we're gonna play an animation, would that go after these? Or would that go in character? Or both? Both. Yeah, both. Because when you enter the Wiz battle initially, you need to play an animation. Well, yeah, yes, you would. You need to play an animation when you're entering the battle. And then from there, you need to play it on like the start of every round or whatever, your round. And then the swap animations. So what we do play? Would it just be like this, Giant Dad? We don't have to do it all now. I'm just curious. Like, would it just be that simple? You just play an animation? A Mont? Why don't you just play the animation? Why do you have to play the Mont? Animations won't blend? Oh. Target get player. Is playing Mont or play? No, play. No, I'll do this one. Okay. I mean, if we could probably just do it right now. Put some random shit in here. Shotgun. Sit on the bench. Hell yeah. Okay, we'll do a reload and sit on a bench. Let's see if it just works or not. Okay. So that. Why is he just a... What the? I mean, for this one, he's T-posing. And then when we hit it here, he doesn't even do anything. Not a compatible skeleton? Okay. Then why for the other one is it not even playing anything? Oh, it's a gun, that's why. We'll do... Yeah, silly medium. For this. Oh. Okay. Alright, yeah. He's like, is it really? Oh. Alright, you win, Giant Dad. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so this. What the fuck is this shit, bro? What the fuck? Okay. Oh, well, this one. Okay. So I'm wondering, once we actually get a correct animation for that, we already need to sync up the speed. Like, we already need to speed it up or slow it down, right? So, would you do that in the Mont? Or would we like do a delay node? You know what I mean? You do it in the mind? Okay. Cool. What if I like spam it? Oh, okay. Hell yeah. Yeah, no, that'll be a work in progress for sure. So, okay, we'll need to look for animations, and then once we find animations, we'll need to be sure that like this doesn't happen where like it's being blocked or he goes off the screen. So it'll be just about getting that right. I would say. We should also have like the cards do something when we swap as well. So maybe set different cards when we swap. And maybe like a card animation or something. You know? So like when you hit this, like they go off the screen or something. And then like new one, I don't know, something like that. But I think that would be an animation, right? What are you laughing at? What, the animations? Listen, bro. At least we got it figured out, right? So I'll put that in progress for now. So set different cards when you swap. Like a card animation kind of thing. So like when you hit swap, like they go off to the side and new ones come in or something. New ones spawn. And then I could look for some animations or get ideas. I think for now that's probably good. I'd say. Any other ideas, John? Add. Basically, chat. I write down a list for the start of the stream and I like check it off basically. So like, it's kind of what this tab looks like. So we have this to work, and then I wrote these down for next time. There will be a widget animation for hand. Oh, really? Okay. Yeah. It's just kind of tough right now, chat, because like we can't really fully complete anything until the art is ready. So we're just really trying to find like min-maxing every little part that we can do. Anyways, good stuff today, Giant Dad. I would say. Worst part was wasting an hour on a useless camera. I still don't mind the idea of it, but that's, bro. I will do that on the last day before the game comes out. I hate that so much. Or someone else can do it. Someone else's problem. Fuck that camera. I'll do anything and everything but the camera. I hate that. After we get this done, Giant Dad, what can we even start doing, bro? Camera's the easiest part. No, it's not, bro. I've been doing this for 2 months. That's the worst part. That's just a fucking fuck-ass opinion, Giant Dad. Camera is not easy. Okay. I'd rather fucking just connect the dots and do macros and functions all day than do that fuck ass shit, bro. Or debug. Even debugging is better. Ugh. Anything's better than that shit. But yeah, no, after we get this stuff done though, Giant Dad. Like generally what can we even do until the art is ready? I'm really trying to think. We can't work on a quest tree until story's done, which Nick has done his part. I'm gonna dissect that right now actually. So maybe if we could get to that, we could like get some like story done for the tutorial or demo or prototype. Like dialogue or, you know, set that stuff, setting up a quest or whatever. Other than that though, do you have any ideas, Dad? I would say work on the UI, like the inventory, but we can't really do that until we have art, right? Unless we just use placeholders for like buttons. Placeholder spells. What the fuck is a placeholder spell? You want to steal other people's spells? Let's fuck that. After they're done with the UI, I want them to work on spells. Steal a free. That's crazy, bro. I thought it's a good idea probably to like for the swap here. Oh, I don't have cards. Shit. So for the swap here, I thought it might be a good idea to use Wiz cards though. So like for example, like this could be your like, I don't know, Lord, Tempest, Epic. Tempest again, I don't fucking know. And then like you swap, right? And then this could be like your Feint, your Bubble, your Blade, your Aura, you know what I mean? I think that would be really helpful to help people like kind of digest it, you know what I mean? It won't be a problem until we like we can't ship the demo with Wiz stuff in it. Like that's not, we could get in trouble for that, so no. But just like as an example though, we could just set it. Why do they not do that? What do you mean? Oh, just read. This is read. That's funny. Just fucking make it like a dark matter Kraken pet. Yeah, that'd be. Oh my god, that looks sick, bro. That'd be sick. But I think for now, just to give them the idea of what the combat, we want the combat to look like, we could just use like that for now. But after the demo and the prototype, we can't do that anymore because we could get in trouble with the law. So yeah. So so yeah, what would you say? Just work on getting placeholders together and try and set up the I don't know what you want to call it, the spell book type shit. I don't know. I want to have something different. Like not, I don't have a spell book. Like I want like a spell book, but not a spell book. You know what I mean? Like I want to have it be like original to our game, but like that thing. So I'll just call it spell book for now. Gotta set up the spell book thing. What tabs do we even need though? We're gonna need a deck tab. We don't really have any gear yet. We have I mean, we have a wand. Granted, I don't know what the fish means, bro. I guess like just like settings for like quitting or loading in, and then deck. We could probably set up like what kind of wand you want to equip as well. Like kind of like part of the backpack in a way. We only have literally the one wand right now, but we could probably set that up. So I guess I'll write these ideas down. Okay, I'll let you go, join that. GG's today. Good stuff. Okay, chat. I will see y'all later. We did really good today. Only bad part was the the first hour of battling the fuck ass camera. But aside from that, they had a really good day today actually. I would say. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Take care.